Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm in the kitchen studio, and first thing we're thinking about is the flooring. Now in this little bit of video I'm going to be showing you, I hadn't at the time made up my mind what sort of flooring to go for, and this is what I suggest to you guys, is doing the same thing, is go to a local DIY store and have a look for yourselves. I am now going to be doing a playlist on floor installation, and that consists of buying the flooring, putting the flooring down, little tips along the way. So I think it's maybe about 1 of 6 altogether I'm going to be doing, but at least you see how I put my flooring down. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share, and we'll get on with that part of the video, and I'll see you soon. Laters! Straight away when you're entering your DIY store, you find flooring just inside the doorway. Plenty to choose from. So we enter into the store and we find flooring everywhere. This is a specialist department. You can see all the wood up on the wall, so you've got plenty to choose from. Then we come across to the laminates. And once again, there's so many variations of laminate you can choose. And this is what you call your accessory parts. And this is basically what you finish your floor off with. Your end strips. And this is another type of coving which you finish your floor off with. And this goes all the way around your floor when you're finished. I'm not really a lover of this type of stuff, to be honest. It just makes a good quality floor look cheap and tacky. But I have used it myself, and I'm not saying you shouldn't use it. Now this is a dearer underlay. As you can see now, this is going to be all underlay. And you've got different types of variation of underlay. And this is the really cheap one. I'm not saying it's that bad. I've used it before on several occasions. Now this is like a cloth type. Now these are good. I've used these previously before as well. Now these are the more expensive ones. I like these because it gives your floor that bit of insulation as well. And then you've got the cork for your wood floor if you want to use that. There's so many variations in the store. And that's your flooring department.